Hi everyone, in today's video we're diving into how to use OpenAI Deep Research, one of the most advanced AI research tools out there, and it's only beaten by Gemini 2.5, which was released quite recently. This isn't just another ChatGPT demo. I'm going to walk you through three powerful use cases that show how this tool can help you. The first one, build a skill from scratch. The second one, find real ways to make money online. And lastly, plan your entire travel itinerary with pricing, comparisons, and budget tips. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get right into it. Deep Research is a new feature which is available to Pro, Plus, and Team users inside ChatGPT. It's powered by the O3 model. Instead of giving quick answers, it goes out and browses the internet for you, pulling from dozens of sources to compile long-form reports which are complete with citations, comparisons, summaries, and context. You can also ask nuanced questions and the AI will use chain of thought reasoning, which you can read by the way, ask follow-up questions and refine its search just like a human researcher would. Alright, let's say you want to work on your communication skills. So for this reason, I tried this prompt. Give me 100 ways to improve my communication skills. Now, Deep Research spent 113 minutes, analyzed 14 reliable sources, and delivered a categorized list which was packed with actionable advice, books and resources, drills and techniques, and specific strategies like start with a hook to capture attention. It was so structured, insightful, and honestly better than many blogs that I have read all over the internet. You can even go deeper by asking for 100 tips that are focused on specific aspects of this report, like public speaking or non-verbal communication, so that you can dive deeper into your specific weaknesses. Now that you have the skills, what about earning some side income? I asked ChatGPT, give me 100 ways to make money online using a skill I can learn in a month with no budget. The result? A massive 20-minute research report using all 16 allowed sources sorted by category with description, tools, and platforms included. I mean, the ideas range from freelance writing and copywriting, selling graphic templates with platforms that were listed. There were options to enter slogan contests, offering AI-based content services, and even joining paid micro internships for students and recent grads. Each of these entries had enough context and detail for anyone to get started, like building mini blog posts inside a single report. And because it's all interactive, you can follow up on any particular item in this report and learn even more, or generate a mind map or a roadmap to get started with little to no effort and little to no investment, as you can see. Once you've earned your money, you'd like to travel the world for a vacation, right? Well, we've seen ChatGPT plan trips before, but Deep Research takes it to a whole other level. I tried comprehensive prompt engineering, asking it to help plan a budget-friendly trip to Japan during cherry blossom season. And what did it do? In 12 minutes and after browsing 23 sources, it found flights from Pakistan to Japan with pros and cons for each of these flights. It had compared budget hotels across multiple cities in Japan, created a daily itinerary with activities, prices in yen and Pakistani rupees, and the links to all of these. It even included top money saving tips like using the Japan rail passes and eating like a local. And when I asked, it calculated the total trip cost in rupees with a whole breakdown of the budget. This is the kind of task that would usually take a couple of days and a couple of hours a day, to browsing 15 tabs in a browser, comparing options, making notes, calculating costs. But here it's all done for you in one tiny screen, and you can customize it so much more just by chatting. Now, as you can see, these aren't just static outputs like you're used to. You can treat Deep Research as the first step in an evolving conversation. Ask a big question, let it do all the heavy lifting like research, then let it refine, clarify, and even request breakdowns. This is how to use OpenAI Deep Research for real-world results, and it can save you hours of work and loads of headaches, whether you're learning, earning, or traveling. With that said, what will you use Deep Research for? I'd really love to know. Drop your ideas in the comments, and I might even test one of your ideas for the next video.